Hi, and welcome to video number 2 in our Kipware Conversational series. In video number 1, we created a qualify the stock cycle through the conversational form, and when we created the program, it was put up in the tree. Now we're going to show you a little bit of the options that you have once that program goes up into the tree. One of them is you can edit this program, so you can bring it back in the conversational menu, either by double-clicking the name or hitting the pencil icon in the options. I'm going to double-click the name, and you can see everything that I have in that previous video that we put into the cycle comes back. We can make any changes if we wanted to do. Let's say I want to leave more finish allowance. I can make any change that I want to do through this form. When I hit the Create Program button again, it's been updated, and now all the changes have been saved to that Qualify the Stock option. The other thing I can do is I can look directly at the G-code for this program. So by highlighting Qualified Stock, hitting the Notepad icon, I can see the G-code that was created for that particular cycle. So if you're a professional programmer, you just want to get a quick down and dirty cycle to be able to mill the two ends, you could do it in the Kipware Conversational. You can copy it, paste it into your program that you want to do. And again, this is a full editor. You could bring your program in here. So if I were to copy this, I'll go back and open up the program that I was working on, find my place and paste it in there. I can do that directly in here. So this is a full G-code editor. This is our Kipware editor, and it shows us the G-code that was created for the cycle. So any one of the cycles that you create in the tree, you can look at the G-code program just by simply clicking the icon. There are a couple options available too, which include reordering the operation. So if you have multiple cycles in this tree and you want to change their order, you can do that. You can copy operations and you can delete operations, but we're going to get into these in another video. One of the other things that you can do is you can plot the cycle to our Kipware TP toolpath plotting software that comes with Kipware Conversational. You've got two options that you can use to do this. You can plot an individual cycle by selecting the cycle in the tree and then selecting this plot, or you could plot all the operations in the tree by selecting this icon. We're going to select just a single operation, and you can see that Kipware TP starts. It has our G-code program in the editor or in the plot box, and I've set it up so that I've got the stock shown here. So if I want to plot this particular program that I have in the plot box, I can just hit the milling plot option. And you can see a couple of things that happen is you can see the finish cut where we have a little lead in. So this is where our cutter comp is going to get activated, and then we're going to go and finish the part. And you can watch in the Z Vision how we're going down each side, half an inch each time. If you want to take this a little bit slower, you can do a single block plot. And what's going to happen now is every time I hit the key, we're going to go one at a time. You can see then the Z Vision that we're going down each time we come across the part. We go down 100, down 200, whereas we're doing the zigzag cutting 3, 4, 5, and then we come back up and then we do our finish cut. So here's our cutter comp startup and around the part. But Kipware TP gives you the option of going back anytime and plotting any of the cycles that you have in the tree, so you can kind of see how the program or the part is developing using the Kipware TP. In video number 3, we're going to add some more operations to our tree. I'm going to show you how to copy operations, the ease of use of those kinds of functions that you can do with programs in the tree, and that's going to be in video number 3. So we'll see you there. Thanks.